Year 7 Pi, question number 25. Find the volume of the cuboid. Volume is the space inside a 3D shape. One cube is 1 centimeter cubed, as we can see here, if each side is 1 centimeter. So how many of these cubes would fit into this shape, the big one? Now there's different ways of looking at it. Just by looking at the diagram, one way I could do is I could say I can clearly see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes at the front, and they are 2 layers deep. So there's 6 at the front, another 6 at the back. So I could say the 6 add 6, which means there are 12 centimeter cubes altogether. Now if you used a formula to work out the volume of a cuboid, the formula that you would use is volume equals length times width times height. Now the length and width and height, there's 2 that way, there's 2 that way, and there's 3 that way. So you could do 2 times 2 times 3 in any order. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So whichever way you did it, you should have got 12 centimeter cubed. Let's make that 3 a bit smaller so it looks like a cubed. So 12 centimeter cubed. Question 26. Here is a cuboid and its net. Use the net to work out the surface area of the cuboid. Now the surface area is the total area of all the faces of a 3D shape. Now because they've drawn the net for us, the net is like the shape up and out, so we can see all the faces quite clearly. Now we know we've got a square here, and we'll have another square at the back, and they are there and there. And then in the middle we've got 4 rectangles, which we can see in the middle here. Now the square would be 2 by 2. So I know the area of the square, 2 times 2, is going to be 4. So the other one is also going to be 4. Now a rectangle is going to be like 4 by 2, 4 times 2 is 8. So each rectangle is going to be 8 altogether, because it's going to be like 4 that way and 2 that way. 4 times 2 is 8. So the total surface area is the total area of all the faces. We're going to have 2 4s and we're going to have 4 8s. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 32 add 4 is 36, add another 4 is 40. The units are given, so the total surface area is 40 centimeters squared. That is quite a challenging question.